Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you a little bit about buy one get one free. This is very basic stuff. So you go into the store, you buy one, you get one for free. Okay, now this is a really good way for people to market things, and they've been doing it for years. I prefer two for the price of one than buy one get one free, because the shortened version of that is Bogof, and I absolutely hate that. Now this is really good for a lot of businesses, especially restaurants. Actually, we've made a lot of good sales with buy one get one free offers for restaurants, because then people can come in, they can try out the food, and they can do it with a friend. So it's one of those things of you think at the start, well, is this going to be a really effective pricing strategy and to do over a long period of time? No, you don't do it over a long period of time. You do it over a short period of time, and you see what happens with this. For example, as a pizza restaurant, buy one get one free is pretty easy to do. You can afford that quite well. And that's not because of anything other than the fact that it's not a complicated task to do pizzas. So you can actually have a lot more traffic coming in. You can do the pizzas, and they're very easy to clean up after. That's the thing I like most about doing pizza stuff, and I've done that for quite a long time. But buy one get one free is great, because someone can bring a friend in. And here's the thing: if a friend is experiencing your product and service, they can then say, oh, this is great, and they can bring their friends and family. That's the amazing thing of the whole word of mouth growth kind of thing. But when it comes to like a store, it's also a very good strategy. A lot of our local shops do two for a certain price, but actually giving a really good deal with these things will bring people in. It's a great way to do things, and it's good if you do that for a sale every now and then, because if you get people in with these kind of sales, and even if you're making a loss, it's like I've seen it being done with Pringles, pot noodles. I've even seen it being done with those Takis crisps. And here's the thing, right? The Takis crisps in the UK are quite expensive. So when it comes down to it, people go in and they'll be like, "Ooh, wow, I can get my Takis here." And of course, if you're going to have Takis, you've got to have an energy drink to go with it, man. So they could go, they get the crisps, they get the drinks, and it's just really good way to get people to come in, and they will talk about it. So it's one of those things which helps increase your power through word of mouth. Anyway, I hope that's been helpful. Definitely consider doing this for your business. Run it for a week, see how it goes. That's the most important thing. And do it with a product that's not selling well. Let's say you've got products that are, you've got products that have an expiry date, right? Perishable goods. If you've got perishable goods and you've got them coming in, and you've got like a deal with your supplier and you've got to get rid of them, best thing to do is use these products to say buy one get one free. Because the thing is, people will come and they will take the perishables away, so they're not your problem anymore. It's their problem now. They've got to eat them. So here's the thing: if you're doing this kind of stuff, and it's like, our local co-op really fails in this regard, because they could be making loads and loads of money, but when it comes to like their meat section, everything's so expensive, right? That not everything goes. And if they just did the buy two for the price of one, buy one get one free. If they just ran that, that would be really good for them. But instead, what happens is they've got a load of products that they've just got to price down to nothingness every single night. And yeah, they'll sell some of those, but some of them they'll just expire. So the thing is, when it comes down to it, they burn so much money with that sort of stuff. So actually, when you're trying to come up with this, if you're dealing with perishable goods, look at your goods that just aren't selling, and see if you can find a way to ship those products out. Because at the end of the day, maybe next month you're not going to order those products in. You're going to get something different. Try to change things up. If there's a product that's not selling, it's a perfect candidate for this kind of thing. Anyway, hope this has been helpful. You have a lovely day. Bye.